How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Henry. What's yours?
Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand. How about you?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a lawyer. What about you?
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on September 1st.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 5 a.m.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have a girlfriend.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading and hiking.
How much does this cost?
It costs $48.
What's the date today?
17th of September.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Sure, here you go.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here it is.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled salmon. It's very popular.
Can I get the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm just a bit tired.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 4 times a week.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Bean.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring because of the flowers and mild weather.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying out new recipes.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work remotely most of the time.
How often do you visit your parents?
I visit them once a month.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
Do you follow a specific diet?
Yes, I try to eat a balanced diet with lots of vegetables and lean proteins.
Have you ever tried yoga?
Yes, I practice yoga every morning.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Thai food.
Do you like to go to the movies?
Yes, I love watching movies on the big screen.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
What's your favorite drink?
I love iced coffee.
Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for 5 years.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend and I have known each other since childhood.
How did you meet your partner?
We met at a mutual friend's party.
Do you live in an apartment or a house?
I live in an apartment.
How long have you lived there?
I've lived here for about 2 years.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden where I grow vegetables.
What's your favorite food?
I love pad thai.
Do you prefer shopping online or in store?
I prefer shopping online because it's more convenient.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
Do you have this in a different size?
Let me check for you.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps from different countries.
What's your favorite way to spend a day off?
I like to relax at home with a good book.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I love tulips.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Eve.
What's the best place you've ever visited?
The best place I've visited is Paris. It's beautiful.
Do you prefer traveling by plane or by train?
I prefer traveling by train because it's more scenic.
What's your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is the Maldives.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Do you want to hang out?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
No, I'm free. What do you have in mind?
How much is the rent?
The rent is $1,200 per month.
Is there a parking space available?
Yes, There's a parking space in the garage.
What time does the bus arrive?
The bus arrives at 8:30 a.m.
What's your favorite type of drink?
I love smoothies.
How much is a ticket to downtown?
A ticket costs $2.50.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Where are you going on vacation?
I'm going to Hawaii.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be there for a week.
Do you need a ride to the airport?
Yes, that would be great, thank you.
Are you going to the party tonight?
Yes, I'll be there.
What time does the event start?
It starts at 8 p.m.
Can I bring a friend?
Of course, the more the merrier.
Can you call an ambulance?
Yes, I'll call right away.
Where is the nearest hospital?
It's about 10 minutes away from here.
Do you know first aid?
Yes, I do. How can I help?
Can I open a bank account?
Yes, you'll need to fill out this form.
How do I transfer money?
You can do it online or at the bank.
What's for dinner?
We're having steak tonight.
Did you take out the trash?
Yes, I did it this morning.
When is the meeting?
It's at 9 a.m.
What are you studying?
I'm studying biology.
When is your next exam?
It's next Monday.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Is there a parking lot nearby?
Yes, there's one around the corner.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 30 minutes.
What time is it?
It's 5:45 p.m.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I said I love you.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family.
What do you think about this?
I think it's a great idea.
What's your favorite color?
I love the color blue.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Where is the nearest police station?
It's about 2 miles away.
Can you help me find this address?
Sure, let me look it up for you.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, it's very hot today.
Do you think it will snow?
Yes, there's a chance of snow tonight.
What's the forecast for the weekend?
It's supposed to be sunny and warm.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, that would be great, thank you.
What time is our flight?
It's at 11 p.m.
Do you have a map?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes.
Can I get this to go?
Sure, I'll pack it up for you.
Do you have any sales going on?
Yes, we have a 25% off sale on all items.
Where is the fitting room?
It's at the back of the store.
Where are the keys?
They are on the kitchen counter.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled to French.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
What's on your mind?
It's none of your business.